Jai Shri Gurudev. In last class already discussed about the exercise 4.1. Okay. Now 4. Exercise 4.1. Okay. This is the first problem. Determinant, we have to prove that determinant x a x plus a, y b y plus b, z c z plus c is equals to 0. We have to prove that this determinant value is equals to 0 by using the properties already explained in the last video. See. Okay. Use that properties and prove that this LHS value is equals to 0 using the properties of determinants and without expanding the problems. So you can easily calculate the by expansion. You can easily calculate the determinant. No, not like that. You have to do using the properties of determinants. So we have 6 properties now. Using the properties of determinants, you have to prove that this value is equals to 0. All the coming problems will be have to do like that only. See, let us consider LHS. So LHS, this is LHS. Okay, LHS. See. So first property is there. So if we add these two things, see, this is column 1, this is column 2. Understood or not? Column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay. Let us observe column 1 and column 2. C1 implies C1 plus C2. C1 implies C1 plus C2. What is the meaning of this one means? This one means C1 implies which column is changing? Column 1 is changing. How it is changing represents this one C1 plus C2. Andre C1 plus C2 corresponding elements should be added in C1 and C2. Okay. For this purpose, how to do this one I will tell. See. You have to fix which column is changing. See here, this will left hand side will tell C1 is changing. So column 2 and column 3 is not changing. That's why first you have to write column 2 and column 3 same. First write down. Write down. So leave first column A, B, C. Okay. And x plus A, y plus B, z plus C. Okay na? Write down column 2 and column 3. Yeah. Column 1 is changing. How it is changing? You have to do this performance. C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You have to do this one. C1 plus C2. How to do this one? C1 plus C2. See. ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ here C1, this is C1, this is C2. Okay. And corresponding elements should be added. And corresponding elements ಅಂದ್ರೆ x side ಇರೋದು A. These two should be added. Addition no other side. These two should be added. Understood? Like that we have to add. If subtraction is there, subtraction minus. Understood or not? See. Tell me what is the answer here. You must draw x, C1 x, C2 a. Like that we have to. Okay. It will look like row, but you have to fix like this. Okay. Otherwise, I will tell another technique for you. What is that? Means you take one pencil. You take one pencil and write it like this. C1, C2, C1, C2. Like that. You add more like this. X plus A, X plus A. Y plus B, Y plus B. Z plus C. Okay. So, in eraser you rub all these things. Okay. Over. Enough. If you observe this step, okay. X plus A, Y plus B, Z plus C. First column. In last column, what is there? X plus A, Y plus B, Z plus C. Both are same now. According to the property of determinants. If any two rows or any two columns are identical or same, what is the result? Value is 0. Andre, see here, column 1 and column 3. So say for C1 and C3 are same or identical. Okay. Both are same or identical. So therefore this value is what? 0. This value is 0. Identical. So therefore this determinant value is 0. Like that you have to simplify. Very easy problem now. You have to think like that. Okay. We'll see the next question. So next second question. See. You have to prove the determinant of this value a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus a is equals to determinant of this values should be what? 0. Again 0 you have to prove. Okay na? See. How to do this one? See, I will tell you. See, if you observe this one, if you add this one, this one, this one, a minus a, b minus b, c minus c, all will be cancelled on 0. Okay, that's why you think like that. Okay, so that's why. So what is the property I am using means c1 plus implies c1 implies c1 plus c2 plus c3, c1 plus c2 plus c3. Okay na? So like that. What is the meaning of this one means c1 implies means which column is changing? C1, column 1. C means column 1. Column 1 is changing. Okay. How it is changing? How it is changing? C1 plus C2 plus C3. By adding these two things, column 1, column 2, column 3 values. After adding all these things, we'll put in a C1 means it will be changing. Okay. Which column is not changing? C2 and C3 are not changing. So first write down C2 and C3. First write down that one. Okay. What is that? Is equals to leave first column. Okay. B minus C, C minus A, C minus A minus B, A minus B, B minus C. Okay. And which column is changing? C1 is changing. C1 is going to change. Okay. What is the performance? What is the how to do that change means have to perform this operation. Okay. C1 plus C2 plus C3. How to do this one? Already told. Take one pencil. Okay. You write, you put like this. C1, C2, C3. All are writing like this. Okay. And we are adding now this. How to add this one? Corresponding side or below the add one. Side. Okay. This one. Add these three things, put here. Add these three things, put second. These three things, put third. Understand? Very easy. If you if you grasp the things means it will be further will be very easy. Okay, my dear students, see. We'll add. So A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus C. Okay. Next. A minus B plus B minus C, C2, C minus C. Next second one. B minus C plus. See here A minus B minus C, C minus C. Right here. B minus C, C minus A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B. And C minus A plus A minus B plus B minus B minus. Understood? Again, can write here right C is equals to BB cancel, BB cancel, CC cancel, AA cancel. Okay, what is the result? 0. So here also this is also CC cancel, AA cancel, B cancel. So 0, this is also 0, 0, 0. Okay, write down this. Say B minus C, C minus A minus B. C minus A minus B, B minus C. Okay. Like that, I have to write it down. If you observe this one, okay. See here, in column 1, all elements are what? All elements are 0. Okay. According to the properties of the determinant, third property, I think fourth property. Okay. According to the third property, if any row or any column contains all zeros, means that value will be 0. The determinant value is what? 0. Okay. Understood or not? So total column, any one column enough. In column or one row. Any one row. Total 0 means the value of the determinant will be what? 0. Like that you have to simplify. Students feeling difficulty. So you can do another method also, sir. You can do another method also for this one. We can take C1 implies C1 plus C2 C2 3. Now already taken. We can take R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. Also you can use. Understood or not? That is also we can do. Okay, that is also we will get the different values here. Answer must be same. Okay, same but the answer, but different values. Understood or not? See, this is the way we have to do the second problem. We'll see the third problem. See, next problem, question number 3. 2 determinant of 2765, 3875, 5986 is equals to 0. Same procedure you have to follow. Understood or not? So here this problem is somewhat difficult. Okay, you have to analyze. Okay, see what to do first means, see, let us take LHS. This one have to consider 0. Have to do that 0. Okay, 0 the problem. See, so which property had to do means first means this is C3 now, C3. Let us take C3. C3 implies C3 minus C1. C3 minus C1. Okay, C3 minus C1. Sir, why sir C3 minus C1 you are doing? So why? Because C3 minus C1, if you make C3 minus C1 means 65 minus 2 means what? 63. Okay, 7 9 ja, how much? 7 9 ja 63 no. So both will be same. We can make the 0 like that. Okay, that's why you have to think. So mathematics use the reasoning capacity. Next what? Next what? Okay, if you learn chess means, okay, if you like chess means, so when you are learning in a primary stage, you will be losing the game. So if you observe means, so why losing the game means your opponent is more strong means you are losing the game. Why? Because in chess, next after 4-5 steps, what will be the position? You should think like that. Mathematics will teach that. Okay. Next after 4 steps or 5 steps, what is the answer? You have to think like that means your reasoning capacity will increase. Okay. So you can't guess in 1 day or 2 days. You have to practice like that only. You have to think. Okay. If you think more means your knowledge will be more. You are not thinking means you will be there only. Okay. You have to think more. You have to analyze. You have to do problems. Okay. So many strugglings are there. You have to face the strugglings. Then only you will find the success. Understood or not? Here C3 minus C1. C3 minus C1. C3 minus C1 means what? Fixed C3 and C1. What is changing? C3 changing now. That's why C1, C2 fix same only. First C1, this one 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Same. Okay. C3 minus 7. Take one pencil already told. C3 means this one C3. First C3. Next C1 means this one. Fix these two. Okay. First you have to take what? C3. C3 minus C1. 65 minus 2. What? 65 minus 2. 63. Right here. 75 minus 3. 72. Next. 86 minus 5. 81. Over. First step is over. Okay. Next. So you have to analyze. C means if you multiply 7 into 9. So let us consider C2. C2 implies okay. C2 9 into C2. 9 into C2. So each element should be multiplied by 2. Okay. All elements 9 is multiply. See, is equals to C2 is changing. How it is changing? Into multiplied by 9. So the value won't change. No problem. Okay. The property is there. If you multiply by any positive number to any particular row or any particular column, the determinant will remain same. You can do like this. Okay. No problem for the determinant answer. So 2 same. First column same. Third column same. Okay. Which column changing? Second. 2, 3, 5. Okay. Last column 63, 72, 81 same. Okay. Second column. What is second column? 9 into C2. Fix this one. Fix. Take one pencil and fix. C2. 9 into all values. 9 into 7. 63. 9 into 8. 72. 9 into 9. 81. If you observe this one, okay, observe one. If you observe this one means and column 2 and column 3 are what? Same column. If any two rows or any two columns are identical, already told the first problem. So any two rows or any two columns. See here, column 2 and column 3 are same. How are same means corresponding elements. Side elements are same and okay. 63, 72, 81. 63, 72, 81. Both are same now. So therefore, this value is this determinant value is 0. What is that property means? If any two rows or any two columns are identical or same one of the identical, same or identical, then the determinant value is 0. That is the property is there. So therefore, is 0. You go to the property. I already posted that property video or to your property video to your WhatsApp group. So go through that video and we can analyze this. This is very easy. Understood? Like that we have to. This is the problem. Next problem. How to do the next problem? See next question number 4. See how it will be. Determinant of 1 BC A into B plus C, 1 CA B into C plus A, 1 AB C into A plus B is equals to 0. Determinant value is 0. Same. Prove that this value is equals to 0. Let us consider the LHS and we have to prove that 0 value. Okay, how it will be seen. Okay. See 1 BC multiply these two things. A into B, AB plus AC. This one 1 CA BC plus AB, BA or AB both are same. 1 AB AC plus BC. Okay, like that we have to write. Okay, 1 BC. Next, see, do one thing. This one we add these two columns. Okay, this column is what? C2 implies otherwise C3 implies C3 plus C2. Add these two, write it in C3. Okay now, which column is changing? C3. How it is changing? C3 plus C2 by adding these two columns. Okay, which columns are not changing? C1, C2 remains same. Write down C is equals to 1 same. Okay, next BC CA AB same. Okay, now take pencil and fix it. Which C3 and C3 and C2 C3 and C2. Okay, corresponding elements means side elements. These two will be added. Now what is the AB BC CA? Write down like this. AB plus BC plus C. Next, add these two. AB BC CA. Again, AB plus BC plus CA. Next, add these two things. AB BC CA. Same. AB BC CA. Okay, like that we have it. So if you observe the last column 3, observe the last column. So same value in column 3, all values are same. So we'll make the column. Okay, common thing. The property is there now. You can make the column. So therefore AB plus BC plus CA into, okay, determinant will be 1 BC 1. Common 1 CA 1 AB 1, like that. Okay, so students feeling difficulty here. Why? Because sir, you are taking common AB plus BC plus CA, sir. So this is only changing. It remains same now. That is a property. Okay, have to think like that. This is not a matrix. Okay, this is a determinant. Determinant ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ರೋ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿ. Understand? So that is a property is there. So that's why. Okay, A B B C C A in one column, in third column is there. So I will make the common A B plus B C plus C A will get this one. See, it will be 1 1 1 and remain and first column and second column remains same and third column is always changing. Okay, that is 1 1 1. Right? Why? Because A B plus B C plus C A is making the common. Okay, my dear students, please observe. Let us check this step. See, 1 1 1 1 1 1. Same no? Which is same? Which columns are same? First column and third column are identical, are same again. Therefore, what is the if any two rows or any two columns are identical, what is the value of the determinant? The determinant value is 0. Understood? So like that, this value to 0. So AB plus BC plus CA into what? 0 is equals to what? Is equals to 0. Into 0 into anything what? 0. Like that you have to simplify. Very easy problem. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask the doubts also. Okay. So we will see the next problem. See, my dear students, do this one homework. 5th one, 6th one and 7th one are the homework. Okay. Do these are homework. If you are facing any difficulty means tell me. I will do this one also. Okay, in next video. So B plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z, C plus A, R plus B, Z plus X, A plus B, B plus 2, X plus Y is equals to 2 into that matrix, that determinant, and this value is equals to 0. This determinant value is equals to 0, and the determinant value is equals to 4 A square, B square, C square. Okay, go through this one and do the homework. Okay, my dear students. So if you have any doubt means you can comment in the given below video. Okay. So if you like this video means please share and subscribe. We'll see in next class. Okay. If you want this also, you can see next video. Thank you.